my channel, and today we're gonna build a Christmas tree! Sobrang excited ko because first time ko na lang ulit magkakaroon ng Christmas tree sa bahay. Sobrang special nitong araw na to sa akin kasi every year wala talaga kaming Christmas tree because parang walang space and nakakatamad gawin, and yung parents ko hindi rin sila ganun ka-enthusiastic about having a Christmas tree. This is a very special day for me, and my boyfriend is helping me build the Christmas tree. And di na ako kailangang gumastos kasi meron ng mga gamit. Ayan, so excited na rin ba kayo? Hindi ko alam. Baka ako lang excited. Pero, let's go build the Christmas tree and let's do it! Let's go! First thing we have to do is clean up. Share ko lang kaming sinabit na uling. Ping na it will take out kung ano mang amoy yung mga tae ng cats, but it didn't really help. Tanggalin na namin siya because it looks ugly. I mean Christmas tapos may uling ka sa taas. Coal. Oh! You get coal for Christmas! Aww! Ano tayo mga Americans? And Wafer is not happy. Like, where's my cat litter? This is our Christmas tree. Thank you to our sponsors, parents. This is an old Christmas tree.
Saan yung base?
Where's the base? Oh no, nandun sa isang box. Don't tell me. Commercial break because yung stand ng Christmas tree naiwan namin dun sa bahay. Yun, grab deliver pa. What? Uy!
Ay nako, ako talaga. Hello, I'm Wafer.
Long itim kagad. Itim ng mouth niya kanina. No! We're gonna have a good Christmas with a good Christmas tree. Wafer! Ah! Acha. I'm the most pasaway cat. The most pasaway. Aray! Hoy! Huwag kayo mag-away dyan. Where is it? Look, it's a kitty cat gato!
Where's the kitty cat gato? Ay na pa pala nagkakaroon. Yan lang po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow! Look at those cuties! Hey, Mama! Sa pag-deliver! Yay!
Hurry, look at cookie.
Oh, yung cute!
That's not gonna be cute at 2 a.m.
Lit lang yung tree namin.
Cookie.
Pero it looks so cute. Ay, tinan mo sa malayo. Punta ka doon. Bakit sa picture ang ganda?
Picture pala siya.
Sa picture ang ganda. Or siguro may missing piece to. Dapat ganito siya.
Possible. Oo, kasi parang ang kapal sa baba.
Oo nga.
recording.
Ha?
Recording.
Yeah.
Kuha dito, kuha dito.
Bakit?
Kuha dito, kuha dito.
Feeling ko naman. Meron siya lugtong. Stop that!
Hindi pala sila.
Wafer! Stop it, baby. Stop it, baby. Baby pa. No. This is why we can't have nice things.
May alis mo pa.
See that? This is why we can't have nice things.
Nakita mo ba yung pinagsaksang ng air purifier? May isa tong saksa.
Oh my gosh. That was so nice. So nice, so nice. Bakit ganun? Use the smaller one. Take two. Use the smaller one. Okay, okay. Most important thing is the star. Go, babe. Yan. Much better. Wow! Alis ka na dyan.
Ah, wow.
We did it! Come in! Thank you for helping me! Thank you for helping me!
Dalawa lang yung kinabit ko dyan.
Ayun na, may sinira na. No! 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 Sa'yo na to, sa'yo na to. Malalobat na ako and tapusin ko na yung video na to. Thank you for watching and thank you to my boyfriend for helping me. Ayun, I hope you liked it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel para ma-reach ko na yung 1,000 subscribers. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Ayun, thank you, bye-bye! Stay magical! Bye! Just an update, guys. Nahanap na namin yung gitna. So, it looks like this now. Bye!